Tropical Cyclone Ilsa 2023 last modified, 3 o'clock April 11, 2023 UTC. Ilsa is located 443 kilometers north of Broome, Australia, and has moved west-southwestward at 13 kilometers per hour, 7 knots, over the past 6 hours. Ilsa is riding the northwestern edge of the subtropical ridge to the east. As it continues this trajectory, the system will intensify as the wind shear is expected to lower throughout the forecast period. In 12 hours, the intensity will increase to 110 km per hour, 60 knots, and then further increasing to 150 km per hour, 80 knots, in 24 hours. In 36 hours, Ilsa will begin to round the ridge axis and shift to a more southward track while it jumps up to 195 km per hour, 105 knots. Upon completion of rounding the ridge axis, the system will begin a southeastward trajectory and reach its max intensity of 240 km per hour, 130 knots. As Ilsa makes its approach to land, it will pass over a pool of warmer, 30-31 sea surface temperatures, contributing to maintaining its intensity as it picks up track speed. Just after 60 hours, Ilsa will make landfall almost at the center point of 80 Mile Beach, Australia. After a period of land interaction, the system will begin its dissipation phase and decrease to 140 km per hour, 75 knots, in 3 days, further decreasing and become fully dissipated in 4 days. The deterministic and ensemble models all agree that TC18 will continue to intensify as it transits to the southwest before rounding the ridge axis and shifting southward after 36 hours, and further shifting southeastward and continue to intensify after 2 days. For the JTWC forecast track consensus members, there is a 48 km spread at 12 hours. This track spread gradually increases to 189 km in 60 hours, just before landfall. GFS and ECMOV are on the eastern portion of the consensus envelope, whereas NavGem and UK track models are on the western portion. Because of the gradual increase in the track model spread, the JTWC forecast track is placed with medium confidence up to 3 days, then low confidence afterwards. The intensity consensus members are also in agreement, displaying a rapidly intensifying system in 24 to 66 hours, then a sudden drop-off after 66 hours when the system makes landfall. The JTWC forecast intensity is set with medium confidence. Maximum significant wave height is 7 meters, 23 feet.